This is project 2B for PowerPoint in the Go Office 2010 book. I'm on page 743, and we want to start PowerPoint, which I've already done, and from our student files find the celebrations. So let's go to File here and choose Open. And find the file Celebrations, click on Open, and this is what we get. And we're going to save it right away. Do File, Save As, and it's going to be delete those first couple characters, last name underscore, first name underscore, and then go ahead and save it. And we want to go slide number 6. So let's scroll down over here until we get to slide number 6, and we want to get rid of some of the background here. So select the picture, go to the Picture Tools Format tab, and we have an option here to remove the background. Okay, and what it does is, for some reason, it pulls the handles in all the time from the edges of the picture. I don't know why it does that, but that's what you get. And everything that's purple there is going to be removed, and it'll be transparent. And what we want to do is, it's chopping off some of the fireworks here, and so we want to pull this out to the left a little further, and pull this out. Let's pull this one out to the right. I guess not, but yeah, I don't think we want to do that. I'm going to do Control Z to undo that. Okay, and now go to the View tab, and hang on a second. Okay, so on the View tab, in the Zoom group, we want to do 100%. Click on OK. And that makes our picture its original size. And we should look pretty much like the picture at the bottom of page 744 now. And on the Background Removal tab in the Refine group, click the Mark Areas to Remove button. So let's go back here to Background Removal and Mark Areas to Remove button, and position the pencil pointer so that the ruler guides align on the right half of the horizontal ruler at 1 inch, which would be right here, and the lower half of the vertical ruler at 1/2 inch, which would be about right there. Click one time, and that just gives us a little mark right there. And then what we want to do is want to go out to about 1.5 inches here, and the lower half of the rule should be about 0.75, so we're kind of dragging down like this, I guess. And now it deletes that part of the picture right there. And you can take this and you can click and drag over little areas that you want to delete, and what it does, it looks for similar pictures, and you can do that pretty much any place in the picture. And I'm going to do a Control Z to undo those two changes there. And now we are on the bottom of page 745, and on the Background Removal tab, which is this right here. In the Close group, click the Keep Changes. And then let's go down here and click Fit Slide to Current Window, and that's what we get. We're now on the top of page 746. And it says with the picture selected on the Format tab in the Pictures Styles group, click Picture Effects, and we'll do Soft Edges at 50 points. Okay, and that gets rid of quite a bit of our fireworks. In the Adjust group, click the Artistic Effects button, and let me see. Artistic Effects, and we want the crisscross stitching, which is, or crisscross etching. Click on that. And then in the size group, we want the height to be 3.5. Okay. And then we want to align it in the center and the middle. So it's right smack in the middle of our slide. So align center, we'll get it left to right. Align middle, we'll get it top to bottom. And that looks like a pretty good place for it. And that is the picture on the top of page 746. And now we're going to save that. And now we're on activity 2.16. We're going to do some word art styles and apply them to some existing text. So on slide 6, which is where we currently are, click anywhere in here to activate the title placeholder and select title. And on the Format tab in the Word Art Styles group, which is this group right here, click on the More button. And under Applies to All Text in the Shape, we want the fourth one, which is, let's try that again, under Applies to Selected Text. Sorry. We want the fourth one, which is Fill White Outline Accent 1. And that's what it is. So now that's what our text looks like, and with the text still selected, I'm on the top of page 747 now. Click the Text Fill button, and under Theme Colors, go to the 6th column, which is this one, and I want dark red, the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, accent 2, lighter 40%, that's this one. Then go to slide 1. So let's go over here and scroll up. Click on slide 1 and click anywhere in the title. And click the Format tab. And in the Word Art Styles group, we want More. And under Applies to All Text in the Shape, this is the bottom part down here. In the first row, click the third one, which should say Fill Dark Red Accent 2. Let's try it again. And Warm Matte Bevel. So select that. And now it should match the picture on the bottom, page 747. And let's do a save on that. And now in activity 2.17 at the bottom of page 747, display slide number 2. Click the Insert tab. And in the text group right here, click the Word Art button. And we want the last row, the third one, which should be labeled Fill Dark Red Accent 2 Matte Bevel. So select that. And type, the text is already selected, so if we type now, we'll replace what's there. So get ready for 2014! Exclamation mark. And got an extra character in there. Okay, so now it matches the top of page 748. And what we want to do is we want to go to the edge and get the four-headed arrow so we can move it, drag it straight down. If you hold the Shift key down, there we go. Okay. And save your presentation. And that's about halfway through, and it's about 10 minutes, so we will save this, stop this video here, and we'll continue at the bottom of page 748 in a second.